Hello, the title of my study is Attitudes and Behaviors Towards Climate Change Crisis During the Pandemic. My name is Nalini Malvya and I'm a clinical psychology student at Christ University. To begin with, I'd like to define the key terms in my title. COVID-19 pandemic refers to the global health crisis that has taken place, resulting in sudden lockdowns, social isolation, loss of livelihood, loss of lives, and growing uncertainty. Climate change refers to the global phenomena of unprecedented and unpredictable variations in the climate manifesting in local environmental disasters, global warming, and extinction of species. The objectives of my study were to understand psychosocial implications of the pandemic, that is, changes in the people's mindsets, psychological but not clinical impact of the economic and health crisis. Second, to understand if this situation of crisis has affected people's mindsets towards long term and short term goals and interests. That is, that whether people are more inclined to setting as well as fulfilling long term as opposed to short term goals. Third objective was to understand if the issue of climate change has taken a backseat due to the pandemic and its psychosocial impact on people. Fourth objective was to understand people's motivations to act in environmentally friendly ways during the pandemic and otherwise. Lastly, to understand the impact of COVID-19 on people's motivation to behave in environmentally friendly ways. Moving on, Moving on to the research methodology of the study. This was a qualitative research. Semi-structured interviews were conducted. They were each approximately 1 hour long. The sample was of 10 participants, all female, 20 to 25-year-old, and it was a purposive sampling. The method of analysis was thematic analysis. Moving on to the results, the analysis clearly indicates that over the course of the pandemic, the participants' concern for the environment has increased, fear of death, care and concern for other people as well as nature, appreciation for nature, and the motivation to work against climate change have also increased. The occurrence of several environmental disasters during this time and an emotional engagement with some of these disasters have also had an influence on the overall attitude and behavior of the participants. The study throws light on how participants have perceived and engaged with the environment and with the threat of climate change during a health and economic crisis, the COVID-19 pandemic. The implications are the findings of the study make it possible for the researcher to offer suggestions to help mitigate the climate change crisis in the post-pandemic world. Rather than presenting the effects of climate change as dramatic disasters to fall upon us in the far future, climate change predictions can be focused on the near future. The public can be presented with the small ways in which their own lives will be impacted by climate change in the immediate future and how that will build up to more serious ramifications. Concrete evidence is likely to increase the credibility of climate change research. Further, the issue of environmental preservation and climate change at large needs to be dealt with at a local level. Different geographic locations and economic societies engage with the environment and its resources in different ways. It is the need of the hour for environmental experts to tailor mitigating strategies to the conditions of these different communities based on their consumption patterns, need, awareness, and personal bandwidth to protect the environment. Thank you very much.